Hey guys, Greg here with another quick learn video with Zen Investments. And the reason why that I actually do these videos is because I want people to just get an understanding of the basics of real estate investment syndication just so they can start to take action and build legacy wealth for their family. Because a lot of people get overwhelmed, they get analysis paralysis, and the purpose of these quick learn videos is to give you that basis of information so you're confident, you understand it, and then you actually add on from there and start to learn and research and read other books and talk to people on things. Okay. So in today's quick learn section, what we're going to talk about is a 506B and a 506C. Now, I must warn you that I am not an SEC attorney or any type of attorney, so please get professional guidance when it comes to actually drafting these documents if you actually are going to do these yourself, like a PPM or something. So please get professional guidance. Again, this is just the purpose of the video is just to provide a basic level of understanding just so you know that and then you add on to that yourself. So just wanted to say that. So what is a 506B? Generally speaking, a 506B allows the issuer, which would be pretty much like the person in charge of that, like a general partner or something, of its own securities to raise an unlimited amount of money from an unlimited of accredited investors and up to 35 sophisticated investors. Now, the issuer cannot raise funds through solicitation or general advertising. That's very important. So again, speak with the SEC attorney on this to get more details on that. And a 506C again permits issuers to solicit and generally advertise for raising funds. So it's almost the opposite of a 506B. All investors in the offering need to be an accredited investor, and appropriate steps need to be taken to verify that the investor is an accredited investor. Again, you'll go through steps to verify because you can't just say, hey, I'm an accredited investor, and say, okay, come on and invest in this. They have to get verified that they are an accredited investor. So, what is an accredited investor? Again, an accredited investor is an individual or a business entity, either one, who qualifies to invest in real estate syndications without being registered with the financial authority by satisfying one of these requirements. So, they need to have an annual income of at least for the past 2 years of $200,000 as an individual, an income again past 2 years of at least $300,000 if it's a joint or like married couple, something like that. Now, for both income levels, they should expect to make that same amount of money or more in the current year. So you can't just make $200,000 last year and 100,000 this year and expect it to be a credit investor. You have to keep that or exceed that. Or you have to have a net worth of at least $1 million, not including the primary residence. So you can't include your residence into your net worth when it comes to calculating that. And the SEC also considers the general partner as an accredited investor. Like so, again, keep that in mind. So, what is a sophisticated investor? Again, someone that qualifies to invest in real estate syndications without being registered with a financial authority or by satisfying one of these requirements. Again, having sufficient capital to invest, experience, and net worth to engage in more advanced types of investment opportunities. There's not really a single definition, so this can kind of vary a bit. So you can be considered a sophisticated investor if you have some type of real estate investing experience, maybe you, or just some type of investing period, whether it's stocks, real estate, those can possibly qualify as a sophisticated investor. So if you have a few rental properties, maybe you invest in some stocks, then that shows that you are sophisticated enough to actually invest. So then you can be qualified as a sophisticated investor. So I hope you guys a little bit understand a little bit of a 506B versus a 506C and accredited versus a sophisticated investor. So if you guys want to connect with me, please go to greenzeninvestments.com. If you need a little more inspiration, a little kick or nudge, go to youtube.com/ Planet Greenzen. That's my other YouTube channel where I post inspiration and motivational videos to help you just take action and break free from that mundane. Or if you would like to connect with a mastermind group, go to facebook.com/groups/master, multifamily mastermind alliance. Again, this is Greg with Zen Investments. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.